Hey, so before I start this video, I just want to give Radar Auto Body in Mission a huge shout out for allowing us to use the shop and everything in the shop. I would also like to give my father a shout out just because if he wasn't there or didn't have the experience he does have, I wouldn't be able to do what we just did. I would have had to ship it to a shop, pay extra money to do everything, get painted and all that stuff. So I'm very fortunate to have him here to help me with everything, and it's gonna be a learning process for myself as well. So yeah, we're gonna get right to the vlog right now. What is up, you guys? Cameron here with another vlog. Today we are working on the Z. I'm just about to go pull it into the other shop over there with the hoist. Today I think we're doing the rear bumper fitment, and then we're doing the side skirts possibly. If we don't get them done today, we're gonna do them tomorrow, because later today is my sister's birthday. We only have until about 3 or 4. I think it's about 9 or 10 right now. So we have a few hours. Hopefully we can get the bumper fitted and everything like that. And yeah, so we'll keep you guys updated through the process, and I hope you guys enjoy. So we'll start you off with a cold start. I don't know how cold it's gonna be. I was running it yesterday, but we'll see. And then we'll move it into the other shop. So this is a stock rear bumper. This is one of the last looks you'll get of it stock. Yeah, so we're getting custom side splitters made for the new kit. We're gonna make them so we can mass produce them and sell them to whoever wants them afterwards. They're being made by the Snowman. If you guys haven't seen the Snowman's car on Instagram, I highly recommend you go check him out. I will include a link down below. He currently makes stuff for Mustangs right now, I believe from 09s to 19s. I could be wrong on the years, but go check him out. If you have a Mustang, go check out his stuff he makes. They're really good quality, and we're gonna make some for the Z, and then we're gonna have them out for people that want to purchase them through him. So he'll have more of a selection of Zs and Mustangs. So when they're on, you guys will see the quality of the product when I get them. They're currently being cut and everything right now, I believe. I know they're in at the designers or whatever, so yeah. We're gonna start with the rear bumper now. So we are currently test fitting the rear bumper, and we do have a small issue with the fitment. The OEM bumper goes around this and it bolts into here. There's a bigger piece that comes out and around. I'll show you right now. Right here is what I'm talking about. And on the aftermarket one, it's just a little bit to catch on, just enough to bolt in. So that's our first issue. And then our second issue is the aftermarket bumper is a little smaller height-wise. So it's a little smaller. So we're having an issue trying to clear this bracket right here, and this one over here as well. So we're thinking about either we'll trim it up or we will bend it to fit. And yeah, and then our rear third fog light here, we have an issue where this rebar here is in the way. So hopefully when we bolt everything up, the bumper will come down a bit. So we'll figure that out when the time comes. But so far this is where we're at. And we're just figuring out if we want to cut this to make our bracket fit, or if we're gonna just bend them up.
So it seems as though you got a pretty decent fit on this side with just probably a little bit of trimming of the fiberglass bumper to fit inside the clips that are there. We'll take the bumper off and show the clips, but it fits nicely there. Decent fit here. And then this side, you can see how these just need a little trimming to fit in the OEM bumper retaining clips. Probably a little bit of trimming here to clear the last tab. But other than that, it's not a bad fit with some minor modifications.
We had a slight issue with the taillight fitting as well. We noticed that there's a little bit of a line, probably from the mold of the mold for the bumper. So we're just gonna trim it up a bit. We have the lines here. This is where, right here is where the taillight was hitting. So we're just gonna do that, and then we're gonna work on getting this. There's a plate underneath here that keeps it a little stronger. So we're gonna take them out, move it over to this bumper, and then we're gonna drill the holes for these, and then we can mount this back on, and then get the sides nice and fitted, and we'll see how everything fits that way. So we've decided to trim up the little brackets here. Did a little bit of trimming, painting it up. So we've decided to go this route instead of bending it a little bit. So we're doing that right now. We're just letting the paint dry just so it doesn't rust later in the future. This one's here. We're coming down here, trimming this up here, just so we can clear the little bit that needs to be cleared to get to the hole to mount the bumper. This one we already cut. As you already saw, we were cutting it. And right here. And then yeah, so the paint's drying right now. Missing someone. Is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone.